And he's down there playing with his bike on the ground, rolling around in the dirt.
Yep.
Stinky.
Tatro just
stinky and happy.
stuck another tire on, made it look like a pro.
Yep, popped the bead easily, did it. Took about a third time the other one.
He's got a nice system now.
Yep. Should we let the secret out?
Yeah.
Secret is right here. Get the wood that's broken the right way. You put the rim right on top of the 2x4. So when this comes down and pushes on it, it compresses the tire. It gets down about halfway down, it goes pop, and the bead breaks. You got to keep the edge off here of the tire until it gets past the edge of the lip, and then get the iron out and let it rub right along the edge here. And it just works like that. If you don't know what we're talking about, go look at the other video. We spent a half hour doing it. And then obviously we just spin on another tire, put our BBs in it. Where'd you buy these BBs from? Tire Beads. Tirebeads.com. There you go.
Those are Dyna beads. This is the real deal.
Dyna Beads.
Yeah.
It says Tire Beads.
Yeah, but the name brand on the Dyna bead.
Dyna Bead. I use airsoft BBs, 0.2 mil, tactical grade, and I just pour them right in the tire. But that's me. I'm cheap. I buy a big bag of those things for about 20 bucks. What do you pay for yours?
Oh, way more than that.
Yeah, I know. But the truck stops have them because these are the semi-trucks. So you can buy the stuff at the truck stop. Any good truck stop will have them. If they do tires, they'll have them there.
What are they made out of? You know?
It's plastic, as far as I know.
Those things are supposed to be ceramic. I don't know.
I don't know what the hell they're made out of.
I'm pretty sure it's a ceramic bead of some sort.
Plastic's all you need. Doesn't need anything special. They do their job. I've only had 2 people didn't like them in there.
Really? What was their issue?
Guys got 2 of the same bike. One bike works fine, the other bike was shaking. He went and had the wheels balanced and bottom went away.
Okay. I've had 0 issues. I run it in the soft tail.
Yeah, I run all my stuff.
It's got a 23-inch wheel on the front.
Yeah, I'm sure it loves that.
I run the widest thing. I run a 200 on the back. It's the widest thing you can run on that without changing the stock arm.
Yeah.
The stock swim arm, you have to switch to a small pulley. And then you can run 200 there, and that's what I did.
Yeah. I run in my car, they're nice and even. They'll take a screwed up tire and fix it in about 1,000 miles. It literally will quit shaking a tire that's all worn bad in probably 20, 30 miles. It'll quit vibrating. They won't even vibrate at all, really. You won't even see it vibrate, but the wear marks will be, it wears the high spots right off. And within 20 or 30 miles, you can see the difference on the tire instantly. It's incredible. I don't do my race bike. I use lead wrapped around my spokes because inspectors want to see weight.
Really?
Yeah. Besides, I use tubes. It doesn't work in tubes. Yours work in tubes, but they cost too much.
Why would this system not work with a tube?
Because it won't fit inside the hole. Might be. I use big BBs. I don't buy the stuff you did.
Oh, so it would still work in a tube tire.
Yeah.
I got you.
As long as the tube didn't have a wrinkle in it. It has to be put in correctly. That's half the problem, people.
Right.
Past his bedtime. No more chrome Gucci crap. When did you check these brake pads? So you replaced it recently, you said?
Yeah, they look nice and new. I don't think I replaced them. I don't recall, but they don't.
No, these are the same ones we used in the back. These are very new.
Yeah, very new.
Looks better already.
Sure enough.
I hate all that garbage on the
I
bike.
do too.
It's gonna look so much better without that stupid ass spotlight crap hanging on there.
Yeah. Clean up, get rid of this fender trim. It's gonna clean this front fender up a lot. That back fender, getting rid of that stuff. It just looks better.
Yeah. On a dresser, I don't mind having a little trim around on the outside. I just don't like the lights and anything. I hate these big bulky ass
Yeah, I
lights.
do too. Well, I think it's staying. I don't think I'm pulling that.
Well, the fender's cut for them, so.
What's that?
The fender's cut for them, so unless you go to a new fender that's blank, just leave them on. Just like this, if you take the rear turn signal off, you got two big ass holes right here, plus a wire hole. Besides, with the saddlebags, these blend in fine, so big deal.
I can probably get the rails after takeoffs if I want to get rid of the trim on the
Doesn't
on the
matter.
bags, but it also.
Oh, you mean all the big bumpers and crap hanging
Yeah,
around?
see, it comes along. They got one that's super clean. It just runs underneath.
Doesn't that shit bolt on?
Yeah. No, you have to cut it. I know because I had
Oh,
seen
these are made different. Okay, the old Chevrolet stuff, it had clamps that went around everything.
Yeah, it's all melded one.
Yeah, this is all made this
I
way.
chopped mine up on that because I owned a Road King
Yeah.
99.
Cut all that crap off.
But it doesn't look good. You want to just buy it. You want to get rid of it. But the nice thing about having them there is if you lightly lay the bike over in a parking lot, which happens on these baggers, you don't fuck your bags up. At least,
Oh well.
But you do look more of a, it's kind of geezed out.
Yeah, well, it's just you got to look out for the ones that don't have all that crap on them. That's all.
Yeah.
And when they're selling their saddlebags, buy another set. You have to worry about it. I finished running that clutch cable too. So. All right. There's the Loctite.
Yeah. When these back out, they back out into your tire.
You're right, they can't go anywhere.
Perfect. So put that back. Well, Loctite.
Is that where you're hiding the Loctite? Because I had to use the 290 or whatever the hell it was. You didn't have any blue. Don't you have any blue Loctite?
Yeah.
Where?
Listen.
Should you hide
out
it?
here all the time.
I couldn't find it. So you hide it in the front, in the room there. That's where I couldn't find
So I
it.
keep all the chemicals here.
Yeah, I looked everywhere out here for it, I couldn't find it. So okay, whatever. We'll use what I got.
That's weird. I have one more tray here.
What, the Loctite? No, I didn't.
I got a big bottle of blue.
I looked all over for it. I didn't find nothing nowhere. Use the red. Oh, you had it hidden behind the box.
Hidden behind that box.
Who put that box up there? I don't know who did that. Might have been me. Oh well. The 290 green is almost as strong as the blue, so.
Really?
Yeah, it's only 10% behind or so. It's like it's majorly different. They're all probably about the same cost, so it doesn't really matter which one you use.
Yeah. Same cost, all expensive.
Yes. Ugh, I'm tired.
Be careful. There's a lot of knockoffs. That's all I can tell you. I know I've bought a knockoff. I'm 100% sure of it.
Yeah, I'm not sure what I got on my stuff, but the washer's falling out. Right here, you got a washer.
Oh, thank you. That's probably my problem.
I don't know why you got a washer in there, but whatever. Where's your washer there? Spinner don't fit?
You might get eaten. It sounds dangerous, whatever it
I don't
is.
know what's going on over there, but he's trying to attack me. That's all right.
Dangerous.
Oh, now I can see what's going on just fine. Oh, nobody's gonna know what this view is. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. She looks dangerous.
Being attacked. Start sneezing in my face again like yesterday.
Baby girl. Baby girl.
Alright, now I get the butt.
What a great helper you are. Yes, you are like a great helper. Happy with that. That's nice.
Nice and snug.
Get back on them.
Look at the bug in the rug.
Yep.
So now you inferior hammer.
Okay. I'm pretty much happy with that.
You are? Good. I just use Loctite.
Yeah.
Don't care.
I did both corners last time, all 4 corners, and I just had this off last week. I'm like, that seems obnoxious. You said it doesn't work anyways. They just move. When they move, they're going to move that too.
You got a big dent in that fender right there.
Yeah. It wasn't me.
How come you did the body work on that already?
Unfortunately.
You got the bodywork tool right in your hand. Why don't you just bump it a couple times?
I really want to.
Not really hard to do. That's how I do it. Bang, 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 it's gone. What are you doing? Use the steel part. Pussyfooting around with wood. Just get the big ass hammer and get a big whack. That's all you gotta do.
You know what? I probably should. My girlfriend's in there sleeping right now. Maybe I should wait for her.
Have you done anything yet?
Oh,
It only takes 1 or 2 hits and done. Playing with it. You ain't done anything yet. Just leave it alone.
Just beating little fucking dents into it. It looks like fucking shit. No.
It's because you got that little toy over there.
It was a really fucking bad idea.
It was?
Yeah.
By who? What side were you using?
Pounding fucking dents into small. No.
That's because you got a little small hammer.
No, I'm not gonna just rush that.
I'll use a big ass
All I did
hammer.
was make it fucking worse.
Well, I'll teach you to listen to me. We're using the ball peen side or the ball flat side? Which side were you using?
Both.
Both? Oh. Well, the ball peen makes dents. Yeah. I just beat them against the ground, what I do.
That was a really bad idea.
Doesn't look any different. Get a big dent in it either way. Alright. We're going to put a wheel on this thing and go home.
Yeah, let's call it a night. What time is it? It's got to be 5 or 6.
It's time to put a wheel on it.
Huh?
Where's your wheel at? Get a wheel. Test brake.